Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on auto delete activity option on your Gemini AI. So for that guys, first of all you will need to get on the gemini.google.com and then get on the top left corner. Now select these three bars. Now select on activity. Now select on this icon. Now select on the first button right here and select the range that you need to select, which is 3 months, 18 months and 36 months. So let's go with 18 months. Now select on next, select on confirm, select on got it, and now you guys have successfully turned on the auto delete activity option on your Gemini AI. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content, and thanks for watching.